So let's take a quick look at the Rating Smart Chip in Google Sheets. So first of all, how do you add them? So you can type at in any cell, scroll down to components, and you can click on rating just like that. Another way is by right clicking, go to Smart Chips and then rating. And the final way is click on the insert menu, Smart Chips, and again, rating just like that. Now, if you want to apply it to multiple cells, you can click on multiple cells, select them just like that. And then again, you can go any of those methods and then add those ratings just like that. Now, if you're using a table, you can do this using the column type and then Smart Chips and then rating, and they'll show up just like that, ready for you to use. Now, I want to point something out with these rating Smart Chips. And so you can select these, right, to select different ratings. Now, one thing you may assume is that if you haven't selected anything, it's not going to matter. But if we just type equals and look at these ratings here, I can drag this down and we can see is if there's no rating selected, it's actually 0. And so I want to illustrate this using an average. And so if we average these up, we have quite a small result here because all these are actually zeros and not being disregarded. And so that's just something to keep in mind if you're using these rating chips to calculate KPIs or other metrics. And so you'll have to adjust your calculations accordingly. And then that is it for today's video. So make sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. And as always, have a great day.